My name is Dr. Calvin Moore Jr., CEO for the Council for Professional Recognition. I wanted to share with you a limited time opportunity where you can earn your Child Development Associate credential at no cost to you in the state of Maryland. The CDA is the best first step into the ECE field. And as a CDA holder myself, I know what the CDA did for me in preparing me with the best practical experience to be ready the day I stepped foot into the classroom. The Council has a special relationship with the Maryland State Department of Education and the Maryland Family Network, with whom we have partnered to promote Maryland State's grant to provide Maryland educators with funding to earn their Child Development Associate credential. Today we have hundreds of candidates in the application pipeline, well on their way to becoming proud CDA educators through the Maryland grant opportunity. We are grateful for Maryland early childhood educators' devotion to quality care of young learners. And together we are dedicated to helping thousands of the state's early childhood teachers earn their CDA by providing financial aid to cover the cost of credentialing fees and books. The Council is excited to leverage the CDA and expand ECE career options with the opportunity to increase the number of Maryland ECE providers who possess the CDA. Now, funding is limited, so please don't miss out on this opportunity to earn your CDA.